If you go to unlock your iPhone, but it says the Face ID is not available, or maybe you're just setting up that Face ID, but it's not working or not allowing you to set it up or to use it to unlock certain apps, I'm going to show you some steps to definitely get it fixed no matter what your problem is. So let's jump right in. Now, the first thing to note is you're going to check for a physical blockage on the Face ID detector. It's in this little pill-shaped icon at the top here. So you're just going to get a cloth, clean here, or if you have a screen protector, make sure to clean that so it's not smudged. After you've done that, let's head into the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, and then tap on Face ID and Attention. There are a couple things in here. It says require attention for your Face ID or attention aware features. In both of these cases, it needs to detect if your eyes are actually looking at your iPhone. But if essentially this true depth camera isn't working perfectly, then sometimes just by turning these off, it makes that feature work. So again, on here, I'm just going to enter in my passcode and turn those off. After you've turned those off, check to see if that Face ID works at that point. However, if it doesn't, that's no problem because we're going to hit the back arrow till we get back to the beginning of your settings. Scroll down from here and tap on Face ID and passcode and just enter in the passcode for your phone. You can see it says use Face ID for, and make sure everything is toggled on. Tap on other apps and again make sure everything is toggled on so that your Face ID has access to basically run for any of these apps, your banking apps, etc. Now, next we're going to scroll down on here and you have two different options. One is you can choose to set up an alternate appearance, or in my case, I usually just regularly reset this Face ID. So just tap on that. The nice thing is it's super easy to set up again. So just tap on Set Up Face ID and I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to put my face in the camera here and you can see it says position my face and move my head around in a circle. Just like that, and I'll hit setup later. Now, just like that, I've set up my Face ID and refresh this. Again, a lot of times just doing this helps. Maybe if you've gained weight or lost weight, or you have a beard, or you've shaved your beard, just reset your Face ID to see if that works. If it doesn't work for you, let's go back to the beginning of your settings and check a couple things. Tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Check to see if there's a software update on your iPhone. You can see in my case there is. So just tap on Update Now to get the latest version. Sometimes it fixes issues with your Face ID. After you've done that, let's tap the back arrow. Within the general settings again, scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then from here, tap on Reset and choose to reset all settings. Essentially, this brings all of your settings on your iPhone back to factory default, including all of those Face ID settings, and a lot of times fixes the issue, but you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So after you've done that, and if that's still not working for you, let's make sure there's not an issue with screen time preventing you from being able to do this. So at the beginning of your settings, scroll down from here and tap on Screen Time. And then scroll down from here and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on and at the bottom passcode and Face ID is set to don't allow, this could prevent issues or cause issues with your Face ID being not available. So I would recommend going back out of here and just toggling off content and privacy restrictions so that you know that it is not the issue. The next thing we're going to do is a force restart on your iPhone just to refresh things if there's an issue with it. So press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide to power off because we're going to do a force restart. And we'll just wait until the iPhone screen goes black. After a few seconds, you'll be able to see that Apple logo appear. And when you do, release your fingers and you've done that force restart, fixing Face ID not available. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.